In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Messenger conversations. Now, for us to get this done, we can basically use Messenger or Facebook here. Say, for example, we're going to use Facebook because that's going to be easier for us. And then I want you to head over here to the profile, click the settings. And once you're here, I want you to go ahead and basically scroll down, and we're going to look for one thing. So here it is, download your information. Go ahead and click that over there, hit the continue button, and then we're going to go ahead and just wait for this one to load, just like so. And then from here, we can go ahead and click the download button right here, and I'm going to choose Facebook, click next. And then what you're going to do is try to choose the specific types of information instead of everything, because that's going to take so much time. And then from here, what you're going to do is just choose messages. So click this one right here, and then click the next button. And then you can go ahead and click download to device. And then what you're going to do is just basically answer here. For example, the date range, it can be from the beginning. It could be like at the specific months, weeks. It's up to you guys. Now, you can also go ahead and set this to notify to your email. And in the format, I suggest that you use HTML if you're just going to be using this or accessing this from your phone or PC. And then for the quality, you can go ahead and choose, but basically medium is going to be okay. Now, click the create button right here. And then what you're going to do is just wait for this one to be done. So again, it could take a while. In this case, we have like a 1 year time information. So we're just going to wait for that one. But after that one, you should be able to have the option to download that and then be able to access it via phone or PC. And that, everybody, is how you're going to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation.